Chemistry: Bromacil is a herbicide that falls under the uracil class. Mode of action: Bromacil functions as both a pre-emergent and post-emergent herbicide. It disrupts photosynthesis in plants by interfering with the electron transport chain within chloroplasts, ultimately causing plant death. Formulation: Bromacil is commonly formulated as a water-dispersible granule, WDG, or a liquid concentrate. These formulations are typically mixed with water and applied as a spray or incorporated into the soil. Uses: Bromacil is primarily used for weed control in non-crop areas, such as industrial sites, roadsides, railway tracks, and utility areas. It effectively targets a broad spectrum of annual and perennial broadleaf and grassy weeds. Additionally, it finds application in non-agricultural settings like forestry, nurseries, and ornamental plantings. Its long-lasting residual activity makes it valuable for preventing weed growth over extended periods. However, caution must be exercised in its use due to its potential environmental persistence and risks to non-target plants and organisms. Bromacil can also be used selectively for controlling annual and pre-annual weeds in citrus and pineapple plantations. In this context, it serves as a targeted herbicide, specifically aimed at suppressing unwanted vegetation while preserving the growth of citrus and pineapple crops. Thanks for watching our pesticide info video. Follow us for more updates and subscribe on YouTube. Your support keeps us making helpful videos. Stay connected.